Hey guys, today we're going to tell you a little something about graphic designers and how you can become a really, really good one. Ready? We're going to start by introducing you to, well, you.
You talking to me?
You love design. You say things like, that should be 2 pixels to the left. And everyone asks you, how does this look? You have a great eye for details, a true designer's eye, and you've chosen to be a graphic designer. Nice one. Now let's see what's in store for you. We've done a little research, and according to PayScale, the average graphic designer salary is $46,369 a year. So far, so good. You found what you love to do, and it also pays pretty well. The only thing left is knowing exactly what skills you need to perfect this job. We've checked out dozens of job posts on Glassdoor to see what are the most important skills you need for almost every company in the world to hire you. Let's start with number 1. Knowing how to use creative design apps like InDesign, Figma, Sketch, Illustrator, and of course, Photoshop. These are your new best friends. They're the most valuable pieces of software for graphic designers because they'll allow you to bring all your cool ideas to life.
How do you know that?
You can use them to create illustrations, posters, GIFs, basically anything that comes to mind. By the way, don't forget to show us all of your amazing artwork when you one day become a super famous designer. Number 2, typography, the art of displaying a message in a readable and aesthetically pleasing way. You gotta love that. Being a graphic designer isn't just about choosing the right font. You really need to get into the nitty-gritty of typesetting with alignment, leading and kerning, balance, contrast, and hierarchy. Familiar with all these terms? Of course you are. Number 3, design principles. Alignment, repetition, contrast, hierarchy, and balance. These are 5 words every designer needs to be familiar with, because you'll use these principles for every project you work on. Let's quickly break down what each of these terms means. First of all, alignment. This creates a sharper, more unified design. Next, there's repetition. This strengthens a design by tying together parts that would otherwise be separate. Contrast. This is the most effective way to create emphasis and impact within your design. Now there's hierarchy. This organizes the elements of your design. And finally, balance. This provides stability and structure to your design. Keep in mind that the 5 design principles should be used together to create a design that is both visually appealing and properly structured. When used in synergy, this ensures maximum legibility and comfort in any design. And that's exactly what both you and your client want. Now for a bonus, soft skills. Let's start with the queen of all soft skills, communication. From your first day as a student all the way through to becoming a creative director, communication will be key to your career. You'll have to not only talk, but also listen to your teachers, your team, your clients, even your managers. And think about this. Sometimes your clients won't actually be able to tell you what they want.
What do you want?
You're going to have to listen to them and learn to read between the lines to work out what works for them. It won't always be a piece of cake, but hey, the cherry on top is always the sweetest. And there you have it, the 4 most important design skills right now. Of course, there's a lot more to the job, but if you can master these 4 skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming an amazing graphic designer. Fingers crossed.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
So that's it, folks. We hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you do have any more questions about graphic design, let us know in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.